Hey guys, so during this quarantine time, I thought I would create a DIY at-home mani-pedi tutorial, and all you'll need are some simple things laying around your home. First is a nail file, next is a base coat, you'll need a nail color, you will need a top coat, you'll need some nail polish remover, and a cotton swab. So let's get started. So first you're going to need to get something, either a toe separator, and if you don't have a toe separator, then you just grab some toilet paper, which I'm sure everybody has lying around their house. And if you don't, then grab a paper towel, roll it up, and simply weave it in and out of each toe so that it gives a little bit of space between each toe when you're painting your nails so that your nails don't smudge against each other like so. Another option is picking up these rubber toe separators, which you can get at your local drugstore, CVS, Walgreens, wherever. And that's another option for separating your toes. Now that my nails are all prepped to go, I'm going to use OPI Gel Break base coat for a thin layer over each nail. And as you can see, I'm holding my bottle with my left hand and painting with my right. So I'm using my middle finger on my opposite hand to hold my toe still. I'm also using my pinky on my painting hand to hold my brush still and get an even swipe. Now that I'm ready to paint my nails, I'll be using Zoya Tanya for my nail color, a bright red. And with the same method I used before, I'm holding the bottle with my left hand, using my middle finger on my left hand to hold my toe steady while I paint with my right hand, using my pinky to help guide my right hand and be steady. I happen to get a little bit of extra nail polish on the corner of my toenail. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of nail polish remover into the cap and dip my cotton swab into that and basically use it as a brush to remove the extra nail polish from my skin. If you don't have a brush to do this, then cotton swab is your next best bet. It might take a little bit more time, but all you have to do is dip it into the nail polish remover and gently glide it along your skin and it should work just fine. Now on to the second coat, using the same process with my opposite hand, using the middle finger of my opposite hand to hold my toe steady. I'm also using my pinky to help guide my painting hand through each nail. And if you get a little bit on your skin, it's okay, you can clean it up after. The last step in the painting process is adding a thin layer of dry fast top coat to each nail so you have a flawless glossy finish. Here's how you would clean your toes if you had a brush lying around. Just dip the brush into the nail polish remover and gently swipe away any excess nail polish that is on your skin. Another way to make a DIY cleaning utensil is taking the cotton off of one end of a cotton swab and then rolling it into some toilet paper or paper towel, tissue paper of some sort, tearing off the end, and then dipping it into some nail polish remover to create your own little brush. Then swiping it along your skin and removing any excess nail polish that may have landed on your skin. Here's a finished product, and thanks for watching.